Hey, while you're wet there, you better keep those goggles. Just left Missoula, heading up to Lake Koocanusa up in Eureka. They drain the reservoir and it reveals a bunch of sand dunes, and we ride the shorelines. But we're heading out with me, Turbo Ted, Gold Daddy, and Shanae.
For those that haven't seen this before, this is a toy hauler camper. The thing is badass. You can fit a side-by-side or a couple of quads, whatever you like.
It should be alright. No, I should be totally fine. Oh, see what I'm saying? Like yeah, it's gonna be tight. It's gonna be real tight. Oh, it's phone too?
It is real deep right there.
Oh, you're floating. Yeah, oh, you're in here, bro. Hey, while you're wet there, you better keep those goggles. Doggy bottom.
So I was fortunate enough to get an invite from a few friends. This is Lake Koocanusa, hope I'm saying it right. It's in like northern Montana, northwest Montana. And these guys, they have all these fun toys. This is, they have 1, 2, 3, 4 side-by-sides and a four-wheeler out here. Fortunately, one of our buddies took a dip in the lake with the 4x4, so pardon me, the quad. So they're trying to get that up and working right now.
I think I'm a mechanic.
Oh, listen to this guy. Master plumber and a mechanic? I think I kicked all the water out of it for him. Yeah, you probably did.
I just helped you out.
Go run it around a little bit.
So we just met up with some folks here that apparently they're in a little larger pickup with a couch, and they decided to take it through the thick mud. I can get in there pretty deep. Okay, yeah. I wonder if it make more sense just go forward with it.
That's what he said. If it wouldn't work this way, try forward.
Try this way. Okay, got it. Yeah, I like the couch on the back. That's a nice touch.
It's usually to watch people, not to have to sit on and wait for people.
Right. Yeah. Of course. Yeah.
Moved for a minute, but moved a little bit, yeah. Yeah.
Gonna try it from the front now.
see this.
I'm gonna throw my foot on the brake.
What's going on with the winch? Just won't go. It's like because as long as you're winching and gassing it, it's moving forward. Yeah, there you go. Good. Here we go, Jeremy. Go.
So Ted just found what is perhaps the best feature ever made in a trailer right here. When he wants to his friend,
Crush me.
he can do just this.
Crush me.
How's it going up there?
You know,
Ted?
I'm gonna break your roof.
You're welcome to come back to camp. Oh, don't put your nails into it.
Well, you know, they say, put your nails on the roof if you think Ted's an asshole.